What is the difference between data management and data governance? In a data-driven world, organizations rely heavily on data to make informed decisions, optimize operations, and create competitive advantages. When businesses generate more and more data, two concepts often come into play: data management and data governance. Although these terms are sometimes used interchangeably, they represent different, yet complementary, approaches to handling data. What is data management? Data management is the practice of collecting, storing, organizing, and maintaining data so it can be effectively used across the business. It's the how of handling data, the processes, tools, and technologies that ensure information is accurate, available, and usable when needed. Key aspects of data management include data integration, bringing together information from multiple systems; data quality, cleansing, deduplicating, and standardizing data; data storage and architecture, designing databases, data warehouses, and data lakes; data security and backup, protecting data from loss or breaches; data lifecycle management, managing data from creation to archiving or deletion. In short, data management is operational. It focuses on the practical execution of handling and maintaining data so that it can serve the business reliably. What is data governance? Data governance is the combination of people, processes, and technology that determine how data is controlled and used across the organization. It's the who, what, and why of data. Governance sets the policies and rules of the game, ensuring that data is trustworthy, consistent, compliant, and aligned with business objectives. Key aspects of data governance include policies and standards, defining how data should be used, stored, and protected; roles and accountability, assigning responsibilities, for example, data owners, data stewards; data access and permissions, controlling who can view or modify specific data sets; compliance, ensuring data practices meet regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, or ISO standards; strategic alignment, ensuring data supports organizational goals. Unlike data management, data governance is not about technology or day-to-day operations. Instead, it provides oversight and direction, making sure that data is managed responsibly and consistently. The relationship between data management and data governance. While different, data management and data governance are deeply connected. Governance defines the rules and frameworks, and management carries out those rules in practice. For example, governance might define that customer data must be validated before use. Management ensures that data quality processes are in place to validate customer records. Without governance, data management lacks strategic direction and accountability. Without management, governance remains theoretical and unenforced. Together, they ensure that data is both usable and trustworthy. Why the distinction matters. Some organizations mistakenly focus only on data management, investing in tools and technologies without clear governance. This often leads to inconsistent data, compliance risks, and poor decision-making. On the contrary, implementing governance without strong management processes results in policies that are impossible to enforce. Recognizing the distinction helps businesses strike the right balance, investing in both robust data management practices and strong governance frameworks. In essence, data management is about execution, while data governance is about control and oversight. Both are essential pillars of a successful data strategy. Companies that understand and implement both effectively are better positioned to maximize the value of their data while minimizing risks and costs.